Today we want to say, despite the fact that we did not want to play the ethnic card, the reality of the circumstances we find in Rivers State trying to turn this place into a place of tumor cannot work. So on that note, we came together and with such brilliant minds like David Briggs and Tamnasi Gogo Jaja, for those of them in government, and for those of us who are activists, myself, and Kyo Briggs, and Fred Allison. And thank God, this ship is sailing. And on that note, I want to also tell you that this is only one out of many events programmed for the Ijaw participation in the ongoing political drama in Rivers State. If you really love your wife or your girlfriend, tell her. Women, is it true? Yes. So we are going to tell our brother that we love him. And we are going to tell him that we are by him. And we are going to tell him, no shaking. Everybody day in, day in. If you remember in 2014, we came together and under certain activities which finally ended in the Stadium Road, Akon Event Center. You remember? Yes. We had a symposium, we had a lot of talk among ourselves, and it was after that talk that we gave the endorsement to Wike, isn't it? Yes. And after he took the endorsement, he ran away with it. Today, we have regarded having counted our losses to say, no problem, let us also come together, because he said he made mistakes. We too, we made mistakes. So, we are now going to regroup now.
First of all, I am honored and humbled to be called upon to read this. It could have been anyone else, but it's me, and I'm grateful for that. This is a press release by Rivers Ijaw People's Forum, RIPF. The Rivers Ijaw People's Forum is a social political group made up of chiefs, elders, women, and youths of Ijaw ethnic nationality in Rivers State, political umbrella body of the 12 Ijaw-speaking local government areas of Rivers State. 12 is not an error, it's a fact. In 2014, the forum actively supported and deployed its abundant resources under the instrumentality and direction of our own, His Excellency, Dr. Goodluck Jonathan, and his wife, Dame Dr. Patience Jonathan, to ensure the emergence of Chief Barrister Nyesom Wike as the governorship candidate of the People's Democratic Party, the PDP, and further mobilize the Ijaws in Rivers State to massively vote for the candidate in the 2015 governorship elections. We repeated the same support in the 2019 elections, and His Excellency, Chief Wike, was returned for his second term as governor of Rivers State. In 2023, we extended our winning support to the current governor of Rivers State, His Excellency, Sir Siminalayi Fubara. It has come to our notice that some Ijaw sons and daughters, at the direction of their Abuja leader, are candelously meeting with the sole aim of insulting and embarrassing our national and regional leaders who have in one way or the other expressed support and solidarity with the governor of Rivers State, His Excellency Sir Siminalayi Fubara. We strongly advise that they desist forthwith from being willing tools in the hands of the enemies of Rivers State. We at this point categorically state, number one, that we did not mandate or authorize any person or group of persons under this name, logo, and any other Ijaw groupings to insult and embarrass the person and the office of the Governor of Rivers State, His Excellency Sir Siminalayi Fubara, Chief Pa E.K. Clark, His Excellency Dr. Goodluck Jonathan, and other Ijaw leaders. Neither did we approve or authorize any form of disrespect to the political friends and allies of the Ijaw ethnic nationality across the country. 2, that having spent our time and resources in supporting the administration of His Excellency Nyesom Wike for 8 years, we continue to maintain that this is not an ethnic crisis and shall refuse to play the ethnic card. We therefore object any Ijaw sons and daughters accepting to be used as cannon fodders in the political upheaval. 3, we congratulate His Excellency Sir Siminalayi Fubara, Governor of Rivers State, for having meritoriously, carefully, and prayerfully navigated the murky waters of Rivers State politics and successfully governed the state for 1 year and placed her on the path of peace and progress. 4, we thank all the indigenous ethnic nationalities of Rivers State and the non-indigens that live and work in our beloved Rivers State for their unflinching support and prayers for the governor. We also thank our national leader and father, Chief Pa E.K. Clark, and His Excellency Sir Dr. Peter Odili for their immense support. We must not forget, number 6, we must not forget the role of Rivers women and youths. We also thank them for their support for the Governor of Rivers State. 7, on behalf of all Ijaw groups within and outside Rivers State, we pledge our unalloyed and total support for the Governor of Rivers State, His Excellency Sir Siminalayi Fubara. 8, we call on all peoples of goodwill of our dear state to continue to pray and support His Excellency Sir Siminalayi Fubara, the Governor of Rivers State.
Today, Rivers Ijaws are making a statement very clear to the Nigerian public and other ethnic nationalities, both in the state and outside the state. And what is that position? That the crisis in Rivers State is a constitutional matter and not ethnic nor religious. And so we, the judges here, are following the path of constitutional democracy, that any attempt or effort to drag in ethnic politics into it will not be accepted. So therefore, we have resolved, as being declared here by the Ijaw leaders and elders of the state, that henceforth, anybody, person or group of persons, either of Ijaw origin or whatever to say, that go against this liberal democracy that the people are enjoying today will be resisted. None other way than through the legal constitutional procedures that are adequately provided for. We believe that we are protected by the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the African Charter and the United Nations Charter. Therefore, we shall use every constitutional means and instrument to protect the rights, lives, and properties of every just son and daughter, and provide the maximum support to the governor of our dear state. From the communique, it is clear that all contacts far and wide, have been made and have resolved to declare today that the jobs, wherever they are, wherever they may be, have total support for same program. Just like as they supported all previous regimes in the state from 1999. Nobody can doubt it. It is not possible for you to be a governor of Rivers State without the just support. The just are the majority, either you like it or not. You can turn it up, you cannot turn it upside down. The same support we gave to OTD, the support we gave to Amechi, the support we gave to Wike, is the same support we are giving to our own son. Eyes up. Yeah. Eyes up. Yeah.
I Anengi Barasua welcomes. Please put your hands together. Can I call you later?
Eyes up.
Yeah.
Beautiful event. May I put it on record? I am particularly gladdened that like this, we had an open, let the people see you. And give it to them. He's not used to. Eyes on!
Yeah. Eyes on!
Yeah. You must always be the strong woman of Niger Delta and Nigerian politics.